Our friends over at Haloview reached out to us and offered to send us the Haloview BT7 backup camera to try, and we were thrilled and very happy to accept. So today we are going to install the backup camera, and we're going to show you exactly how well this thing works. We have a 35-foot RV, we're about 55 feet total, so we shouldn't need much more than this antenna. However, if needed, it does come with an extension antenna that you could move further up into the roof. And it comes with a very large size monitor so you can see. And this system also acts as a rear view camera that you can see when you're just driving down the road, so you can see those people that are really up on your rear end of your RV. Makes it a lot safer for merging. And even if you were to be at a campsite by yourself and you were able to back up and you don't have to get out as much to see what's behind you. One of the nice things about this system is you do not need to use caulk to install. It comes with all the backing plates that you need and is water resistant. It also comes with multiple different connectors based on whether your RV is pre-wired or not. Thankfully, our RV is pre-wired, so we will be using this connector to wire up the camera. And without further ado, let's get going. All right, it's really nice and easy. Red is positive, positive here, negative there. That's all it is, 2 wires. All right, I just used the wire nuts with a little dielectric grease to prevent any corrosion. I already got it hooked up to the connector. It has this backer plate that you can use to keep any extra wire tucked behind here that you're not going to use. Like so. All right, you want to make sure you feed this wire through here. So this is your waterproof housing. It's going to mount. All right, so you might have to clear out some insulation. All right, these connectors, plug and play after you get done wiring. So it's key that you have enough room inside your wall. And I think I got the hole big enough now. Just since I am shoving them in there, we're gonna throw a little electrical tape around it. And I would definitely pre-drill this, especially going into the fiberglass siding. And that's it. The biggest thing, you want to make sure that this rubber seal is over the lip of the camera edge to make sure you get it watertight. Okay, so I hope everything came through with the Haloview installation. As you can see, the camera is now installed. In case it didn't come through with the wind, the big point to make here is the rubber gasket. You want to make sure that's around the entire edge of the camera, because that is your only form of sealant for water. Otherwise, you need to also clear out the insulation on the inside of the wall, because that whole connector piece, as you saw, it needs to shove in there. It would have been probably a 5-minute installation had I prepped for that, but instead it took me maybe only 10 minutes. So it's not bad at all, super easy to install. We're excited to show you exactly how it works once we get that portion installed. In the meantime,